Hello everyone, welcome to today's Hamster Cipher code. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are still new. So our word for the day is trust, and we are going to start with T. For T, you are going to long press. Now for R, you are going to short tap, long press, short tap. For U, you are going to short tap, long press. And for your S, you are going to short tap 3 times. Now to get your T again, you are going to long press. And you've gotten your trust. So claim your 1 million prize, and don't forget your profit per hour is very important. Don't forget that. So make sure you go and work on that. Buy some cards like I'll be showing you in this video. There are still some new cards that are quite good with the profit per hour, so buy the cards. Make sure to increase your profit per hour. Don't play with Hamster. It's going to launch very soon, and quicker you move, so that you can also participate in this. Hamster is launching in this month. The date is yet to be disclosed. The official date is yet to be disclosed, but that doesn't mean you should slack off. So do all you need to do, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to our channel, please. It is and support us the little way you can. You can join a Telegram community, and you can subscribe for our membership too. Thank you.